Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. By the grace of Almighty Allah, I hope all of you are fine. Dear student, overall situation of the world is not satisfactory. In this condition, we have to stay home. Dear student, stay at home, stay safe. May Allah help all of us. Dear student, this is our lecture 3 on chapter 6, and all of you know that this is journal. Dear student, after this lecture you can able to find out the amount of discount on sales. You can able to prepare a sales journal. You can able to prepare a general journal. Let's come to our class. This is CQ2 from your books. I hope all of you are taking your books so that easily you can understand the question. Dear student, requirement A, amount of discount on sales. Dear student, all of you know that discount means whatever amount we can pay less to the seller or buyer at the time of purchase and sales, or paying to debtor or creditor, receive from debtor, payment to creditor. So all of you understand what is discount, and earlier I have also discussed about discount. Dear student, so discount on sales means at the time of selling goods, whatever amount we are taking less from the buyer, that will be the discount on sales. Look at here. Transaction number 3, sold goods to Romis. So we are selling goods to Romis and we are paying taka 500 less to Romis. This is our discount. Then sold goods to Shahadat and Kong. It is on 10. Here the amount of discount is 450. So total amount of discount we are giving at the time of sales, it is 950. Thank you. I think you understand. Now sales journal. Dear student, for doing sales journal, at first you have to draw a format. In the format, first column is date, then particular, or you can write account debited, then invoice number, then source, then debtor account debit, sales account credit. Dear student, in requirement A we sold goods to Romis Brothers and Shahadat and Kongs. So the amount of Romis Brothers sales is 10,500. The amount of Shahadat and Kong is 9,050. Look at the calculation. Romis Brothers sales price we sold 10,000 and amount of discount is 5%. So in previous requirement we already calculated the amount of discount is taka 500. How? 10,000 into 5% into 5 divided by 100, then it is 500. So amount of sales is 9,500, and for this we need to pay carrying charge 1,000. So total amount of sales is 10,500. Look at 10,500 Romis Brothers amount. Then Shahadat and Kong sales price is 9,000, discount 5%. So 9,000 into 5%, that means 9,000 into 5 divided by 100, then you will find 450. So net amount of sales is 8550, and after that you have to add a packing charge 500. So total sales price is 9050. It is written here. So total amount of sales 19,550. Dear student, one important things. Which journal you will record in sales journal? Be careful. Only credit sales will be recorded in sales journal. No cash sales. If you sold goods in cash or check, that will not come in sales journal. Earlier when we learned the definition of sales journal, it is clear that sales journal means only credit sales will be recorded. So sold to Ramesh Brothers is a credit sales and sold to Shahadat and Kong is a credit sales. Only these two will be recorded here. Most important thing is that calculation. I think all of you understand this calculation. Sales price 10,000, 5% discount you have to subtract it, then you have to add carriage. Dear student, look at carefully. At first you have to discount, then you have to add carriage. If you add carriage earlier, then you have to subtract discount, then the amount will be other one and it will be wrong. So dear student, keep in mind, at first you have to find out selling price, then you have to subtract the discount, then you have to add any other expenses which is called incidental expenditure. Now, general journal. For doing general journal, dear student, we need to determine debit and credit, and the box of general journal is date, account head, LF, debit and credit. That means in general journal there are 5 columns. In first column we will write the date, then we will write the account head, that means related account, then LF. This column will be actually backend. In practical life, when we will transfer to journal into ledger, that time we will write ledger folio number. LF means ledger folio. It is an important MCQ. What does LF means? L for ledger, F for folio. So LF means ledger folio. Then here we will write debit amount and here we will write credit amount. In Bangladesh we can write it is taka. You may write dollar, you may write pound, you may write dinar, whatever it is your currency. So now come to journal. Dear student, first transaction, the related account is cash account and bank account. That means you withdraw money from the bank. That's why your cash account, cash money increases, it is debit. Your bank money decreases, it is credit. And next, advance rent account and cash account. You paid your rent in advance. So if you paid any expenses advance, this is your asset. That's why advance rent account debit, and your cash money decreases. That's why cash account credit. Now purchase account debit, bank account credit. Why purchase account debit? Purchase is an expense. You purchase goods by check, so you purchase is an expense account. If expense increase, it is debit, and bank account it is credit, because bank is an asset account and your bank money decreases. You purchase goods by check. Dear student, now drawings. Drawings debit, cash credit. That means owner of the business has taken money from the business. You know the definition of drawings. If owners taken money from the business, then it is called drawings. So owner of the business withdraw money from the business. That's why drawings account, and drawings is an equity account. If equity decrease, then it will be debited. That's why drawings account debit. And cash, as well as it is an asset account. If your asset decreases, then it is credit. I think you understand. Dear student, this is your homework, CQ3. Inshallah, next class we will discuss this CQ. Dear student, of course you will tie at your home so that you can. Thank you very much. May Allah help us.